guys, what do you have today? I was in the fish market and I picked this amazing Sexelicious. What I've been here. Let me see. Open my door. Okay. And have a look what I bring to this at the fish market today this morning. Have a look, guys. Look at this. Octopus. Very Sexelicious. Guys, here. Amazing, guys. Have a look. This amazing octopus. Sexelicious. Only at Santorini on Oxford. 17 Oxford Street. You come, Santorini, and then I'll fix you up. Tilapia. Bye. Now, guys, another beautiful and Sexelicious seafood. I don't know what I have here. I think here it's octopus again. You want to see again? Have a look. A barramundi, amazing barramundi fillet, guys. And what we have here is another baby octopus. This is nice. This is very sexy. Another Sexelicious octopus. Yeah, baby octopus, guys. Char-grilled, olive oil, lemon. That's it. Simplicity of life. Don't overcook the octopus if you don't want it. I prefer it be medium to well, but this is baby. 5 minutes ready. Olive oil, lemon, and oregano. That's it. Nothing else. Don't mix it up. 217 Oxford Street, Darlinghurst, Santorini, Sexelicious, Tilapia.